Hi everyone, so today's video is going to be all about how to make a DIY cherry blossom wall. Now I have done other videos about my quirky living room makeover and I did touch upon this in that video, but this video is going to be from start to finish how I made this little quirky transformation. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is the plain wall that I am going to be spicing up a little bit. Now I got these cherry blossoms from eBay. They're £3.50 for one and they're about 1 metre long, but they're really like nice quality. You can actually bend them around corners and stuff. Now here I'm just kind of eyeing up whereabouts I want my cherry blossoms to hang. I wanted them quite natural looking. Obviously they're not, but I just kind of wanted them sort of spidering out a little bit. Now I was just using these tiny hooks to start off with. That was probably the biggest issue that I had, was I was using clips that were far too small, and even though they look like they're sticking in this clip, the amount of times they've actually popped off this wall. So I actually invested in some bigger clips and they've stuck on fabulously now. So yeah, definitely get some bigger clips if you're gonna do this yourself. So the clips actually cost me £1 for 6 and they're apartment friendly, which means you can pull them off the wall without it being damaged. So yeah, if you are living in a rented accommodation, definitely recommend these if you're hanging up pictures or any other sort of decorations. But yeah, I used this picture I found off, I think it was like off Google, but this is the kind of vibe that I was going for, my inspiration picture. But when I actually looked on Amazon, you can actually get these pre-made, but they're quite expensive, and I think I made this whole wall for like altogether about £30 maybe, and some of the ones that you can buy are like £200. So yeah, definitely I saved myself a little bit of money. So I'm just going to keep repeating this step. Now I did find with my smaller clips, they were struggling to stick to the textured wallpaper. So when I did eventually get the bigger clips and use them instead, I found it stuck so much better, and there was a lot more weight that could be hung from it. So yeah, anyway, during this process I was like, I need some more flowers, I want to make it even bigger. So I did order another box of, I think it was four there, from eBay. Again, the same shade, and I got another set of small clips. And this is a totally different day, and as you can see, I'm just building up on this cherry blossom wall. I just want to make it look a bit more fluffier. So I'm just going to keep repeating this step and build up upon the wall till I'm happy with it. Now altogether I used about 10 1 metre cherry blossom branches, and you can buy them as well in different colours, so you can get like white and yellow, and I just wanted a little bit of a dash of colour other than green, because I feel like I've got so much green downstairs now. But yeah, just letting you know there is other colour options available. So this is what the wall looks like now in daylight. Just ignore that twig at the end that's kind of semi popping off. I have fixed it now, but at the time of recording I didn't realise. So then I was like, do you know what, I've just got to fill in some of these empty patches a little bit. So I did find I got quite a few falling off, so I did just use a bit of sellotape and just stuck them to any areas I felt like needed filling a little bit. And then I got these Amazon fairy lights. They are pink, and again, Amazon, you can get tons of different types, but I just wanted some battery operated ones that I wouldn't have to worry about catching fire or anything like that. And I just weaved them between the branches till it just looked really sweet and cozy. I probably should have got a longer version of these, to be honest, because I might have wanted it a little bit brighter. Maybe in the future I might purchase some different ones. But anyway, this is the finished wall. I absolutely love it. It feels super cozy at night time, and it definitely just brightens that boring little area up a little bit more. It's completely over the top. I understand this isn't for everyone, but you know, if you want to have a little jazzy crib of your own, yeah, try it out. Please give this video a like, comment, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you for more DIY videos in the future, guys. Bye.